Welcome back to my channel, guys. I know you all are waiting for my new videos, but for my personal reasons I cannot give daily videos on my channel, but from now I can post daily videos for you guys. So today I will show you my payment proof and I will live withdraw, so you can know about this earning apps. In the previous I also made a video about this app, so again telling you about this app. So let's see, its name is Kwei. You can see the name of the app is Kwei. This is the app. So I am opening the app. So this is the interface, user interface. So I am going to my balance. So this is my balance. You can see I have 17 RMB. It is renminbi. So I am going to withdraw it. So I will withdraw 10 RMB. So it's done. Okay. So this app will send a OTP code in my SIM card on my inbox, so I have to wait for it. So I'm clicking the withdraw button and I have to click the get code button. Okay, so the code should arrive in 2 seconds. Okay, it arrived. I am typing the code. So here it is. I have successfully withdrawn the RMB. So let's check it on my Wechat account, because I withdraw those RMB in my Wechat account, so I have to check my Wechat balance. Just wait a second, guys. My phone is slow. Yes, I have gotten. Just wait a second, guys. So here it is, guys. The notification have arrived. So I have got 10 RMB from the Kwei app. So now you can assure that it actually pays. So everyone, you can trust on this app, and most likely the students who are studying in China wants to make some extra cash, you can use this app. So I am giving you the download link. You have to just scan my QR code. Okay, I am giving you my QR code. So this is my QR code. Please scan this QR code if you are new to this app. So if you haven't downloaded this app, please download this app if you want to make money. So this is an 100% legit Chinese paying app, and this is an easy app. And if you want to know about this app, more about this app, then watch my previous video. I will give the video link on the I button, so you can find it easily. And if you have any question about this app, then let me know in the comment section. And this is all. So bye bye everyone, and if you like my video, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.